Yo, are you struggling to find Pokemon at a decent price? Scalpers got you down. I'm here to try to help you. Let's do this. Today's episode, all about Pokemon Center. The good. Alright, I might sound like a broken record, but best bet, start off, you're gonna need a link dropper, alright? Twitter, Reddit, Discord. I prefer Discord. Again, check out the homie Rattle Pokemon. All free. It's a little slow, but it'll get you there. A lot of places will tell you the queue on Pokemon Center. Just look it up, or I'll drop a couple down below. That's gonna kickstart your journey for that sweet Pokemon. All right, and remember, don't get discouraged. It's us versus a bazillion bots. All right, but we can do this, boys. I'm trying to help. All right. I mean, and girls too. There's like 2% female. But I promise, with these tips, it's going to skyrocket your chances of getting in line on Pokemon Center and actually getting something. Everybody can get in line, but the real challenge is, getting the Pokemon stuff. Not trying to flex or nothing, but these are just what I have next to me. Not trying to flex, all right? Alrighty, let's get in motion, all right? Step one, I'm not going to use that finger. It has a band-aid on it. Step one, all right? Like I said earlier, you're going to need a link dropper. Free options are amazing to get you started, give you a little taste of that sweet MSRP, all right? But I won't lie. The paid ones have a couple features that are going to save you just that little extra couple seconds that will make a world of difference. And I'll be honest again. I use Poke Notify. It's like $8 a month. I think like the first week I made my money back basically with just being able to buy it at MSRP. So consider it. I mean, I'm sure there's more out there. Do your research on it. I personally use Poke Notify with their Moonitor app that literally makes it like so easy. You download the app, you set up what you want notifications for, and you hear a cowbell ding 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 ding. You just get on that phone, click it, instantly to the page, add to cart, buy now. And that goes for everything, not just Pokemon Center, Target. Heck, I've gotten prismatic surprise boxes off of Shield's website. Anything's possible. But for real, if you've seen what I snagged this month, you'd be like, dude, this guy's a bot. This guy's a bot. But I just got them quick hands, boy. But trust the process. We're beating them scalpers. One checkout at a time. All right. Step two, know the signs of a Pokemon Center queue. Like I said earlier, Discord, Twitter, even Reddit, there's signs, all right? Like Pokemon Center always updates their security right before a drop. Sometimes they kind of tease you and they just do it just to troll you and test their systems, but most of the time, if you see any notification about Pokemon Center security changes, lock in. Lock in. All right? In almost every Pokemon Center drop that I've been a part of in the last like 3 months, always from most of the time 11 a.m. Central Time to 1 p.m. Central Time. That's the window of when they're going to drop it. Getting any later than that, it's kind of a lost cause. They might have updated security, but if nothing happens in that time frame, next time. All right? All right, step 3. How to navigate this craziness of a queue, all right? So what you want to start with, once you see that security change, you're locking in. I would get your phone and something that can be on Wi-Fi, doesn't matter what, but you do not want the same IP address for more than one device. Just like Walmart, like I said, like on my other video, one device is on the website with the IP, nothing more. You need a different IP address for your next devices, all right? Mobile's nice because it's a dynamic IP, so you can do a lot of things just to change it up. But on your Wi-Fi, if you get banned on that puppy, you are done for the day on that one. But in more detail, like I'm saying, so like you're on the you see that queue, drop, you're in line on your phone, and this is what I do. You're in line on your phone, on your mobile data. Do not be on Wi-Fi. You're gonna screw yourself. All right. On your phone, instantly, as fast as you can. You're in the queue. You go through. There's little security captcha. You see Pikachu with the mailman hat. You're golden. After that, about like 3 to 5 minutes later, pop on your Wi-Fi device, computer, tablet, another phone, and then hop in that then. But wait, don't do them both at the same time because Pokemon Center might not drop instantly and you're going to get screwed over. And you'll be on their website just looking at deck boxes and sleeves. But if you do get in early, there's a trick. I have gotten product by being on the website way early. Don't refresh anything, just keep clicking through the website. Like you'll see the ETBs, just Pokemon TCG, anything clickable, you can click, it'll all load up, and you got like a minute that you can just sit there and then click on something else. But if you wait any longer, the next time you click anything, you're gonna get banned. So you gotta kind of no life it and hop from clickable thing on the website and just keep clicking until the actual product drops. Now the different IP address is extremely important because like I said, you can only have one Pokemon Center website on the IP. One, you have a high likelihood of getting banned just because their website's cooked. And if your IP's banned, you're not getting back on the website if you're on Wi-Fi. And another reason you want multiple devices is because the Pokemon Center limit is per checkout. So if you get in twice, you can check out again, no worries. I've done it before. They will not cancel on you. It is per checkout. I got a train in the background, sorry. All right, this is the big one. Step 4, how to avoid the ban to begin with. We've all been there. Error 17. Man, waited an hour for error 17. I know. I've been there too. And this is where it gets technical, and I've just learned from experience, and I'll share with you tips to avoid getting banned on there. So for starters, just take a deep breath, move kind of slow through the whole website. Don't be like bam, 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 bamming. That's the first thing you want to do. The next thing, don't hate me, all right? Only 3 SKUs per cart. So like if they drop a bunch of tins, I play it smart. I'm only putting 3 different items in my cart. If you put 4 in, there is a very high likelihood of you just getting banned on the spot. I have no idea why. You can look it up for yourself. I'm telling the truth. A lot of people have said the same thing. And then once you have everything you want in your cart, only 3 SKUs. You can have like the limit on the SKU, but you only want 3 different products on the cart. And then you go to checkout. I always do guest checkout. Don't use PayPal. Don't use Apple Pay, Google Pay. Use a card, type it out manually, click the next. That is where a lot of people get banned, is once you click the next to finish checking out. That is because they have more items in their cart than what I say in the video. All right. So then you click that, you verify everything, then you check out completely, and you're still on the website. Don't get your hopes up. You cannot go back, order more. As soon as you click that next on the checkout, you're going to get banned and you're going to be mad. And speaking of getting banned, the good thing on mobile is the dynamic IP. It's never always this, it's never going to be the same IP, like every day changes. So the good thing on mobile, if you do get banned, go into airplane mode, exit out of the Pokemon Center website, turn your airplane mode off, new IP, baby. Unbanned, you can go right back on. You can try VPNs too, but they get a little. You have to have some pretty sophisticated ones with like the stealth modes and all that. I just go into airplane mode. But on desktop, I've had luck with Proton with their stealth VPN, but even then, it's hit or miss. It likes refreshing a lot on you, and you do not want to refresh on Pokemon Center's website or the queue, or you're back of the line, buddy. Do not refresh the page. Do not click on other websites. Do not open more tabs. Do not exit that tab. You have like a 20 seconds until, at least on mobile, it just auto refreshes that page and you're back of the line, buddy. So once you're in that queue, do not do anything. Just like Walmart's, you sit your butt down, watch a little Netflix, wait for the Pikachu mailman to get off your dang screen, and hope for that in stock. On PC, you can inspect element and see your line in queue. It's literally says position in line, and that gives you a little more info if you're going to be getting something or not. And on mobile, you can, if you got a fancy phone, you can do the little split screen thing. Have the Pokemon website on one, your Discord or preferred link dropper on the other. So that way, once you get past that queue, you can just not have to worry about getting screwed over with the page refreshing. And I know I rambled a lot, but that's really all there is. I will post a little like checklist of everything you need. You can screenshot that. So the next time we have a drop on Pokemon Center, you are more prepared than the bots and scalpers, all right? Good luck. And maybe you'll be the one flexing them Pokemon Center ETBs on. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. I know I'm still kind of new at this and figuring out the layout and what to cut and what to keep in, but seriously, I appreciate you. Any feedback, let me know in the comments. I'm here for you. And if this isn't good content, then you don't want to watch it. Stay safe, buy smart, and stay in motion, boys and 2% girls. See ya.